Hello everyone. Once again, this is Mom Asenho of a Small Terrible YT channel. Our lesson for today is I am going to teach you how to personalize the cover image of your ebook. Alright, in a very easy way. All you have to do is you open this PowerPoint, okay, any PowerPoint presentation that you have in your PC. And after that, okay, let's just wait for the presentation to open. Okay, open a blank presentation. Alright, then after that, you look for the design, this design tab, click on that. Then the slide size, there's an inverted triangle there. You look for the custom slide size. Then in the custom slide size, you have the dialog box here. You select portrait for the slides, then click OK. Then click maximize. Alright, then you have already your shape of portrait orientation of your slide. Alright, so let's just delete this one. Anyway, we're going to insert text box later on. Then after that, you're going to insert a shape. Okay, since this is for this ebook is for my science students for my science subject, so I am going to place in here grade 7. Alright, just adjust, and if you want to look it very elegant, never mind this one. Alright, so all you have to do is you add the DepEd logo if you are working under DepEd. Since I am working under DepEd, I'm going to also put the logo of the DepEd. And then we are going to insert text box for our title of the book here. Okay, so for example, my first quarter, topic quarter 1, diversity of materials in the environment. Alright, so we have already the title of our ebook. Adjust, just adjust. It's up to you the way you want it to appear. Alright, so just adjust. Alright, then after that, you want to add some picture that represent your book. So for example, I am going to since this is all about this, alright, so it involves a lot of investigations, experimentations. I am going to use this. Anyway, this is just for the purpose of illustration. Okay. So this is how you personalize your cover image of your book. Then insert another text box for the author's name. Okay. So you're going to write in there author. Okay, you are going to write your name. Let's turn it into the same as the title above. Right, and if you are satisfied already of your book cover, all you have to do is you click File, click Save As, then click, okay, I want it to be seen immediately when I do my ebook, so I am going to place it in my desktop. Then you are going to select here JPEG file interchange format, so .jpg extension. So that should be the type of it should be in JPEG file format when you save. Okay, do you want to replace? So I am just going to, okay, then just this one. All right, so this is now, okay, sort by, this is now in our desktop. All right, it's in here. Take note, it's already in a JPEG format. Okay, if you're going to click it, it's a picture now. Okay, so I hope you learned today. That is how you are going to personalize the cover of your ebook using PowerPoint presentation. All right, so thank you so much. Thank you, and see you to our tutorial about the Kobe author.